You guys, only 3 ingredients necessary for the healthiest, most mouth-watering ice cream at home? Stick around and find out. So, here what we're gonna do is we're just gonna grab 3 ripe bananas. The riper, the better. If they're less ripe, we have options to make up for it, or just based on your sweet tooth preference. So we're gonna chop these up into little quarter-sized banana slices, and we're gonna throw these into a Pyrex or just a food storage container, doesn't matter. And we're gonna seal these off, and we're gonna put these guys into the freezer for at least 4 to 8 hours. Probably 8 hours is better, but you know, you can test it for yourself and see. The more solid, the better. Next, we're gonna slowly just take these banana slices out and fill our food processor with it. The next step, very, very simple, and it's the only one of the 3 necessary ingredients, heavy whipping cream. Add about 4 to 8 tablespoons, more or less, and you can do this adjust as needed. As mentioned, if the bananas are less ripe, you can add some sugar, or if you just really like things sweet, add a little bit of sugar, and same with the vanilla extract. It's not necessary, it's optional, but if you want a little sweeter and a hint of vanilla, then you can add it. So we're gonna move the food processor setting from a chop to a puree. Just make sure you're on puree. We want this to be creamy, silky, smooth. We're gonna have to do it in batches as mentioned too, just depending on the food processor. Just because these things are frozen, so you might have to do it in batches. It's a little tough, but with the heavy whipping cream and that good old trusty blade of ours, we can get through it. As you can see here, the texture is getting really close. It's really close to that ice cream texture. However, there is some clumps, so we just gotta readjust. We just gotta innovate and adapt. So now, as you can see, with that adjustment, we're able to get everything nice and creamy. And now that everything's nice and creamy, you can test it. Do a little taste test, see how you like it. And now that I approve of the taste test, I'm gonna make the batch even larger. I'm gonna add the rest of the bananas, not the rest, but a good amount more. A little more heavy whipping cream because this is for me and a friend. And this should be enough to feed both of us. So here we go. Got a larger quantity now, and that perfect creamy texture. At this point, you could just keep it banana ice cream if you wanted, but we want to add some spice to our life. Add a handful of chocolate of your choice. Change your food processor to chop versus puree, and now we have a beautiful, extra chunky, creamy banana chocolate ice cream with really only 3 necessary ingredients. The other 2 are totally optional. So you just got to tailor it to your preference. Thanks so much, guys. Thanks for checking in, and let us know in the comments how the ice cream turned out for you. Please let us know if we have any questions. If you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate your time. Thanks so much, guys. Enjoy that creamy dessert. Have a good one.